Where's my kitty? Coho! Where's Coho? He comes when he's called. Isn't that cool, you guys? So Coho learned to play fetch quite by accident, and it happens on camera, but not at first. In the first clips, you can see that Coho, I would flick the toy away from me, and he would chase after it. He had fun chasing it. But after a while, you can see where it develops, where he actually picks it up and walks with it. Oh, cute. Look who carries his toy around. That's so cute. And then eventually brings it back to me. I think this is really cool because I didn't even try to teach the cat to play fetch. I didn't know you could. That's so cute. You brought it back to me. Does this mean you're playing fetch? Lily, sit. Sit.
Really?
Yeah, he brought it back to me. Okay, let's see if you're going to learn to play fetch. Are you ready? Here, ready? Here it goes. Now carry it back to me and I'll flick it for you again. So how do you teach a kitten to fetch? Lily's a master at fetch. Oh, look, he brought it back. Seriously. Well, and then he walked by me. He's bringing it to where? That's so cute. Yep, bring it back to me. Oh, sit, Lily. Lily's like, I want to play this game. I know that some people's cats will play fetch, but I didn't know you could teach them. I think part of what the reasoning is Coho didn't want the other cat to have it. He wants to keep it for himself. So probably a selfish reason, but this is cool. Okay, come over here. There you go. Okay. Here it comes. Ready? Ready? Flick! I've never had a cat actually play fetch and bring it back to me. I've tried. Sounds like my flounder is done cooking. Okay, bring it back. Well, he's like, yeah, kitty, you're supposed to bring it back here. Where's your toy? Go get it. Bring it here. Get your toy. Not you. Stay. Sit. Sit. Good puppy. Good girl. Good girl. You got into the mom's dust. Yeah, she was sanding chairs today. Looks like you got into it. Hey, good boy. Good boy. All right. Well, this is kind of fun. Okay, here we go. Ready? Okay, Lily, not you. You ready? Sit, Lily, sit. Good girl. That's a good puppy. Hey, kitten. Look. Flick. Okay, bring it back. Ready, kitty? Well, this would be cool if the cat learns to play fetch. Bring it back here. Bring me your toy. Your toy is rather lifeless until you bring it back to me, and then I'll give it the flick. Very smart cat. I'm super impressed. Mason, I never saw you play fetch. Not that I'm comparing, but well, I am. Go get your toy. Is that Sadie whimpering? Mm-hmm. Somebody wants to play. You're being such a good dog. And you too. Yes, I'm quite impressed. No, Lily. No. When someone lays on the floor, that invites dogs to play. Go lay down. Sadie is pouting because there's no more couch. Bring it here. Bring the toy.
I'm sharing with Sadie.
Bring it here, Coho. Sadie, you'll have to teach that kitten how to fetch.
No.
There it is. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. As soon as it's here, flick.
Here, Lily. Sit.
Lily, you go sit down.
Over here, Lily.
Oh. Then Mason wants to play. Check it out. They're actually meeting on the steps. Bring it here, Coho. Oh, Coho is getting away with it. Bring it here. Here. Oh, you're not going to let me have it, are you? Oh, you ready? Get it. You're so smart, Coho. Amazing. You're the cat that fetches. I've never had a cat do that. Oh, there he's carrying it. Is he going to come back? Good boy. Good boy. That's a good kitty. Yeah. You're a good kitty. Here you go. This is definitely your favorite toy. Good boy. Smart kitty. Good boy. Bring it here. Come on. Almost. You almost came back. Ready? Ready? Pew. Oh, smart kitty. Good boy. Good boy. You're catching on. You're so cute. Mason's getting to the point where he wants to play with you just because you're so cute. Good boy, Coho. You're not going to let that Mason get it, are you? Yeah, let's flick it toward Mason. See what Mason does. What do you think? What do you think? Oh, Mason, you be nice. At least he's not putting his claws out. He's just bopping him on the head. Boop, like that. You like our new floor, you guys? Just got installed 2 days ago. Bring the toy. Good boy. Bring it here. Good boy. Good boy, Coho. Good boy. You play fetch better than a lot of dogs. Did you know that? You ready? Oh. Oh, Mason, you be nice. There he goes. Where's he going, Mason? Where's the kitty going? I like that expression. Oh, there they go. What you got there? You want to play a game? You want to play fetch? Huh? Ready? You ready? Bring it here. Bring it here, otherwise I'll lose interest. Oh, he lost it under the door. Oh, there he got it. Thought it went under the door. Good boy. Good boy. You know how to play fetch, don't you? Ready? Get it. This is so awesome. He's easier to train than a lot of dogs. That's because he's a fun cat. Bring it here. Yeah, you gotta have fun on the way, don't you? Bring it here. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good kitty. Bring it here. Yeah. Good boy. You ready? You ready? Good boy. Bring it here. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Boy's a good boy. You ready? You ready? You ready? There it goes. Bring it here. Come on, kitty, kitty. Never played fetch with a cat in my life. This is cool. Good boy. There you go. That's a good boy. You ready? Here it comes. It's gonna go. Pew! I fooled him. It came right back. Look. Go ho. Look. Ready? Okay. I think you are a dog. He just came up and I was actually editing videos, not paying attention to him. So he laid the ball at my foot and then he reached up with his foot and touched my ankle, like to tap me about 3 or 4 times. He's like, here, hey, pay attention. Yes, do I dare edit videos? Come on, let's go do it again. Good boy. He actually came up and went like this to my foot.
That's funny.
Okay, he's meowing at me. What's the matter? It went under the door. Let's go rescue the ball. Look at that. He just reached up to touch my foot again. My ankle. Where'd the ball go? Is it under the door? Did you lose it? Okay, go get it. Where's your ball? It's still under the door. You can go around the door. There you go. That's a good boy. Coho, look. Here it is. I got it. You ready for me to shoot it? You ready? Ready? Boo! There he is. We woke up this morning and he brought his toy. Where's the toy? Look at that. He wants to play.
Where do you want to go? Should we do that way?
We'll find it. We'll see if he brings it back. Oh, there he is. Oh my goodness. First thing in the morning and he wants to play. Where's your toy?
Coho, I think you're showing off. Look at how cute I am. Bring it. Coho, bring it. There you go.
That is awesome. Good boy. I think we're going to wake up to this every day. He's too small. We don't let him sleep with us at night, so he has to stay in his crate. Because he gets... I found him under my back the first night that we tried. And he licks our faces too much. All night long. He's trying to nurse from us. We give him a fuzzy blanket, but he sleeps nice. He's good for naps, but man, all night long I'm just so afraid I'm gonna roll over and squish him. He's so small.
I honestly think that's one of my daycare toys.
That's his favorite because it crinkles.
Mm-hmm.
Look at how he just waits. You're gonna throw that for me? You're such a good cat.
It's cute. Oh, I gotta get
Do you want to play too? Good boy, good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. Yes, you are. He lands on the dog. What was that, Sadie? Where's the toy? Look who played all morning. Totally tuckered out. I like how his foot is sitting there like that, like he just passed out in that position. He's sitting on this couch cushion. So cute. It's kind of therapeutic to watch a cat sleep, especially a kitten. I think he's purring. Let's listen. Yeah, now he is. Oh yeah. You're so cute. Good boy. Yeah. Still a tiny bit congested, but healing up with medicine.